Before you start editing any video, you have to organize all your files to keep your project clean. The best way to do it is to create a separate folder for every video that you want to edit. In my case, I have a folder that's called Editing Lesson. And inside that folder, I have 5 subfolders. The first folder I have here is Assets. This is where I keep all the pictures and logos I'm gonna use for my video. Then I have Audio folder. This is where I keep all the songs, audio recordings, voiceovers, and so on. Then I have Clips. This is where I keep all the individual clips that are going to be used to create my video. The next folder I have is Project. This is where a Premiere project file is going to be saved. So for example, if I'm editing a video and then I want to continue editing the same video the next day, I can always find the Premiere project file here. And the last folder I have here is Renders. This is where I'm going to export a finished video to.